So we have made it to Gladstone.
We have.
We are here for a month to stop for work. So yeah, we're gonna go for a drive and check it out. We actually know quite a few people in Gladstone, which is nice. So we can actually have some catch-ups and not drive each other crazy. So I'm looking forward to that. We're catching up with some friends this afternoon actually. And yeah, so we're just gonna go check out our new digs and go from there. Today we're getting all the shit shop stuff. Literally. Snap. So you reckon it's those laundry detergent sheets?
Yep, because they're stuck. That was stuck in the valve.
It's a good job I don't use them anymore. That would have been in there for ages then. I haven't used them for like months. It's also really hard when there's like zero information online too. Hopefully that's fixed it though. Fingers crossed. So today I am on awning watch duty. Please excuse my shorts drying on the line there. We are due to have some storms come through in Gladstone. So just keeping an eye on the weather and see if I need to call Ryan up and see if he can come and help me take the awning down. So far, it's okay, touch wood. Let's hope it stays that way. We are in Gladstone at the moment. We've been here for a few weeks for work, still got a few more weeks to go. We did fully intend to stay in Gladstone as a base and then use that as a base to go out and check out different things. However, the car had
Different ideas.
Yeah, so it's come up with a engine maintenance required, which
It's just a DPF problem. Common 300 problem.
so it's actually booked in for a service next week. So, but they have advised us not to travel too far with it. So we are stuck in Gladstone, which is fine. It's a very rainy day today, so couldn't really do anything anyway. But we're going to head to the Tourist Information Centre today, check that out, and just get some info for the next few weeks, work out where we want to go, what we want to do, and I think Ryan's going to clean the car while it's raining too.
Yeah.
And that's about it for today.
That's it.
So we went to the visitor centre. It was really lovely. The people are really nice and knowledgeable. Had a good chat with them. Grabbed a few brochures to read on this rainy day. And then I dropped Ryan off to the bike shop to pick up his bike that was in for a service. So he biked back to the caravan park. So he's very wet and soggy. So he's gone for a nice hot shower. And I think we are going to head across the road from the caravan park to the Chinese for lunch. They have a smorgasbord all you can eat section, which is pretty good. It's one of our favourite cuisines. We don't have it very often, so I think we're going to go there for lunch and then probably not do much for the rest of the day. So super exciting. And yeah, but sometimes you just got to have those days, so we'll enjoy it. The sun has come out today, so we're gonna go check out the Botanical Gardens in Gladstone today. Am I deciding?
No koi. Thought there'd be fish in here. I, for one, are very glad that that wasn't a real snake, but someone else is a little bit disappointed. So we're currently staying in Gladstone at the Kincora Caravan Park, and across the road there's this lovely little park and a bike and walk path that goes along the creek. It's really quite nice. There's that big dog. worried about using my phone in a boat because you know what I'm like. Some nice muddies there, Ryan.
Couple, yep.
How many did you get?
I got a full bag limit and probably threw back the same, so 25 or something.
It's worth it though. Might be messy, but it's worth it.
I'm having chili, lemon, garlic,
Parsley.
mud crab pasta.
Freshly caught mud crab. Tonight we have red Thai curry made with...
Cobia curry.
I was getting there. Made with cobia that Ryan caught the other day. You're in charge.
I'm the captain now.
What was that?
I am the captain now. So what's that movie who does it?
Everyone in. Cheers! Hey Ryan, how's the boat life treating you?
Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all.
It's really good.
Tell you how far we've gone.
Oh yeah.
Well, not that far actually.
Oh,
We've only done 2 kilometres.
no way. I can see dolphins over there, and then over here, there's dugongs. Let's see if they come back with fish.
Cheers.